everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and today we are going to be doing, first of all, welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. I am going to be doing with some of my most favorite colors, which are laying right here on my little Lazy Susan. I did this board on top earlier. I forgot to record it. I don't know what was wrong with me. So I have some leftover paint, so I wanted to do some balloon dip or balloon smashes on these 4 tiles. Now they are taped back already on the back, all of them. They're just standard tiles. I get them in a case of 100, I think it is. And I pay less than $10 for this 100 at Home Depot or Lowe's. Great deal. So I've taped the back, I've cleaned the tops off with alcohol, and I do have some of these colors left that I love so much. And what they are all Master's Touch colors. We've got the rouge, the purple, Master's Touch purple, Master's Touch light magenta, and Master's Touch violet. And Master's Touch, white. So, what I'm going to do is, first, I'm going to lay down a little white on the bottom of each one. Just a little on the bottom, like that. Okay, and then I'm going to go back over it and put some of the colors right down. We're going to drizzle them over the top, and hopefully this comes out pretty so that we can resin. Yeah, we're going to resin them. We're going to resin them, but not today. I'll do that on another video because I have a few sets of coasters that are going to need some resining. Resining anyway. And so we're doing this just like this. I want to make sure to get the edges and in between here too. This. There we go. A little bit over the edge here. Here. Alright. I think I'm still going to have some paint left. Now I'm going to use the violet. Such a pretty nice deep purple. Love it. Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to do the purple first. A little bit of the purple. Let's do the purple first. We'll put the other, actually, that was a light magenta that I just put on there. This is the purple. And I guess we'll put on the rouge, which is another gorgeous color. Alright, a little bit there. Alright, so now the rouge. Nice rich color looking here. So pretty. Don't want to run out. Gotta get it on all of them. I'm going to do the violet last. Well, not last, because we're going to do white too. I'll put some more white on the top. Alright, now the violets. Alright, if I don't have enough, I'll get some more out of the bottle. It's a nice, beautiful color. I think we'll have enough if I scrape the sides of it, so I don't have to get into the bottom, but if I have to, I will. It's a very, very beautiful color combination, really. These 4 colors. Want to waste it. I hate wasting any paints, really. And unfortunately it does happen, but that's why we use wax paper and such underneath, so that we can use them for paint skins to make jewelry. Oops. And let's put a little bit more right here. Right there. Yeah, right. I think I got enough. Alright, now what we're going to do is put a little bit more of the Master Stitch White on there. Just drizzling it, because that's going to help with the selling. These will look really pretty when they're sewed up. Alright, let's see what we can do here. I'll make sure I get the edges with the white. I think we've got enough. Find out. We got our balloon ready, so I got some paper towels to wipe it off. So here we go. I'm just gonna squish it down. Oh yeah, just like that. Very pretty. Beautiful. Look at the balloon. Oh my god, I love the balloon even. Ah, it's so pretty. Ah, I hate messing up the balloon. Alright, so gotta get some more of that off. Yeah, it's not coming off real easy because I have it nice and thick. Alright, let's do it again. See what we get. There we go. Ah, I sort of want to do it right here on this paper. See what we end up with. I might get some more. Oops. Not like that, I won't. Alright, get over there. Alright. Here. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Here. Alright, let's wipe off some more. I don't know. Put that away. Get another one. Let me clean that off. Nope, not on me. Alright, let's do it again. Right, like that. I sort of like that one. Just like that. And move this out of the way. And you over here. And then we might put one right in between. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Gosh. Oh, so pretty. Love it. How are we going to do this one? Oh my goodness, I love those. I need more space. Alright, right here. Wow. And here, the other one. Ugh. Need more plastic wrap. Not plastic wrap, but you know what I mean. Wax paper. Wax paper everywhere. Alright, so I think what I'm gonna do, get that out of there. Just try to move this over a little, like that, and that. Maybe bring you up there, and I don't know if I can, I'm not sure, I sort of want to do that one again. It's getting a little discolored, so we'll just do it like right there. Ah, so pretty, I love it. And there. There we go. Alright, so we got some pretty skins going on there. Very pretty skins. Yes, we do. Very pretty skins. I gotta save them all. There we go, more. Okay, so we got more skins. And some really pretty coasters. I'll wipe this off so I can save the balloon. If not, if it pops, I'll use it, get a different one. So thank you for joining me for this fun. This was really fun making these beautiful colors here. We'll see you real soon. Thanks for joining me. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye now.